Hello everyone and welcome back to the Python course. From today, we are going to start with data structures. Till now, we have done data types. In data structures, we will be learning four main data structures, which are list, dictionary, tuple, and sets. Today, we will start with list. In list, we will see list indexing, slicing, list functions. And in list functions, we will see how we can add in a list and remove from a list. Today, our main topic will be covering list indexing and slicing. So let us revise what is a list. A list can be defined as anything which is enclosed in the parameter square brackets. So anything inside this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can separate each item with a comma. This is a list. Let's come to list indexing. Now let us not define right now. Let us just take simple examples. Let's say we have a list which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know indexing always starts from 0. It starts from 0 and ends with -1. Right? Always if we have to take the last value, we have to go with -1. This was the indexing of list. Now let us try list indexing. Let us say example is equal to, we'll open 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a list. And let's say print example. We want the first element, so we'll open the square brackets and write 0. Now we'll run it. We get 0. Now, not to confuse you guys, we'll put first value over here. Now it gives us the value of the first index place as first value. This was simple list indexing.